Okay, what we're going to do, I have 2 clothes hangers, and you're going to snip 2 pieces off of them. And your crossbow, like this Barnett XP370 does, you got these little holes running across underneath, and I'm going to go to the outer ones, and I'm going to push it about that high up. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. And then you're going to take 2 rubber bands, thicker ones. Actually, the hair bows, the black hair bows work the best, the stretchy ones. But you take it and you put it on here. You hook over the top and over the bottom. Same thing over here. Off camera a second. Up here and down under here. And depending on which camera video's out when you're doing your video, you may have to adjust the rubber band left or right just a little bit. So let's do some footage. All right, here we go. So this is what it looks like after you shot. A little bit high, not too bad. Zeroed for 25. So when you're mounting this onto your bow or your crossbow, make sure your buttons are up or down so you can get to them. I know it's one choice or the other, but sometimes they're on top of the foam. But always bring, 4 or 5, 6 extra rubber bands. I've been sitting in a tree stand before and go to put it on in the dark and fling off through the woods it goes. So I always have a couple extras. Okay. You could zoom in but so far, but once you zoom in so much, then you get out of line of sight with your sights. So you can only zoom a little over half maybe at this distance, and then you start getting out of line of sight. So remember that when you're setting up in the woods. Now the more you hold still after the shot, the better your footage will be. So let's go with this shot right here. That's 40 yards. Take safety off. Okay, and here is shot number 2. All right, I appreciate everybody stopping by. We're coming up on the 23-24 deer season. I hope everybody's safe out there. Take ethical shots, especially with a bow. It's not like hunting with a gun. I just started this channel. I'm hoping I can get a few of you to subscribe and come along with the adventure. So if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up, share, maybe hit that subscribe button. All right, I appreciate everybody stopping by. Y'all have a blessed day.